Well, the girls are staying in the coop. It's really, really windy here today, so they're not out running outside. They like it in here. The slats in there actually block the wind and make it nicer in here for them. So we went and brought them out some watermelon and tomatoes and oranges and stuff, so they're happy girls. Hi, honey. So the girls are eating their snacks and we're going to go back in the house. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. We need to come up with some good names for them. Chelsea's only named a couple of them. If you guys have great ideas for names, let us know. Thanks for watching, guys.